गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 9th। वेलकम टू ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म ऑफ श्री एकेडमी इन मैथमेटिक्स। टुडे I discuss new topic related to the chapter first, natural number. In this chapter today I discussed to represent the rational number on the number line by successive magnify. Now start the exercise 1.4. Question number first. Visualize 3.765 on the number line using successive magnification. Solution. Step 1. The given number lies between 3 and 4 because this number is greater than 3 but less than 4. Step 2. Magnify the interval between 3 and 4 and divide it into 10 equal parts. Step 3. The given number lies between 3.7 and 3.8 because this number is greater than 3.7 but less than 3.8. Step 4. Divide the interval between 3.7 and 3.8 into 10 equal parts and magnify it. Step 5. The given number lies between 3.76 and 3.77 because the given number is more than 3.76 but less than 3.77. Step 6. Magnify the interval between 3.76 and 3.77 and divide it into 10 equal parts. Therefore, the given number lies between 3.765 and 3.776. Now, the step first. First, draw the number line and represent the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Marks at the number 3 and 4 because the given number lies between 3 and 4. Now divide the interval 3 and 4 into 10 equal parts. This represent 3, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9 and 4. This is the step 2. Now here marks the number 3.6 and 3.7. Now step 4. The equal interval 3.7 and 3.8 into 10 equal parts which represent by 3.71, 3.72, 3.73, 3.74, 3.75, 3.76, 3.77, 3.78, 3.79 and 3.8. Here marks 3.76 and 3.77. Now divide the equal interval in 10 equal parts of 3.76 and 3.77, which can be represented on the number line by 3.761, 3.762, 3.763, 3.764, 3.765, 3.766, 3.767, 3.768, 3.769 and 3.77. So, student, on this number line the represented number 3.765, which is the answer. Now question number 2. Visualize 4.26 bar on the number line up to 4 decimal places. Solution. Step 1. On the number line, the given number 4.26 bar lies between 4 and 5. For 4 decimal place, number is 4.2626. Step 2. Magnify the interval between 4 and 5 and divide it into 10 equal parts. Step 3. The given number 4.2626 lies between 4.2 and 4.3. Step 4. Magnify the interval between 4.2 and 4.3 and divide it into 10 equal parts. Step 5. The given number falls between 4.26 and 4.27. Step 6. Magnify the interval between 4.26 and 4.27 and divide it into 10 equal parts. Step 7. The given number lies between 4.262 and 4.263. Step 8. Magnify the interval between 4.262 and 4.263 and divide it into 10 equal parts. Step 9. The given number is the sixth division of the given interval. Student, first draw the number line with the help of scale and mention the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The given number lies between 4 and 5 because it is more than 4 but less than 5. Step 2. Divide 10 equal parts of the number 4 and 5, which is represented by 4, 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9 and 5. The number lies between 4.2 and 4.3. Step 4. Divide 10 equal parts of the number 4.2 and 4.3, which is represented by 4.21, 4.22, 4.23, 4.26, 4, 4.25, 4.26, 4.27, 4.28, 4.29 and 4.3. The number lies between 4.26 and 4.27. Now, divide 10 equal parts of the number lies between 4.26 and 4.7, which is represented by 4.261, 4.262, 4.263, 4.264, 4.265, 4.266, 4.267, 4.268, 4.269 and 4.27. The given number lies between 4.262 and 4.263. Now again divide the number 4.62 and 4.63 into 10 equal parts, which is represented by 4.2621, 4.2622, 4.2623, 4.2624, 4.2625, 4.2626, 4.2627, 4.2628, 4.2629 and 4.263. Since the given number up to 4 place of decimal is 4.2626, therefore the sixth part of this number line, which is represented by 4.2626, which is the answer. Student, all of you complete and solve the exercise 1.4. This is the homework. Thank you.